Good morning, students. We are going to continue with chapter 8, and in part 3, we are going to discuss the simple present, past continuous, and how these are changed in simple past, past continuous. So we already have learned direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is that when the actual words of the speaker are written or spoken, and in direct speech the actual words of the speaker are always in quote, double quote. Okay? And in indirect speech, a person reports the actual words of the speaker in his own wording. That is called indirect speech. And plus, in indirect speech we add word that. Okay, he said that, like this. And second thing, in indirect speech we have to remove the double quote. Okay, we have to write simply. Okay, no double quote there, because these were the not actual words of the speaker, but he is speaking his own word. So these things you must understand. Now we are going to ahead with simple present becomes simple past. So why these things happen? We know in the rule, when we change indirect speech from direct speech, we have to go back one step. Okay, one step, that means we have to go back from the present situation. So simple present then it becomes simple past. So read the sentences, you will understand. I go for a walk every day. Okay, these words must be in double quote. You see here, these words are in double quote. He said, that means these are the actual words of the speaker who said that. Now, indirect speech. This is indirect speech, and someone is reporting this speech, okay, in his own wording. He said that. That word here comes. Already I told you that we have to add one new word, that is add that. So he said that he went for a walk every day. So here went word is the second form of the verb in simple past. So here simple present, the first form, and here the second form become simple past. So one step we are going back. Always remember. Next, present continuous becomes past continuous. Same formula. I am going for a walk now. No, he said. So actual words, and someone reports he said that he was going for a walk then. And one more thing, every word which is in the direct speech will be changed in indirect speech one step back. Now here word is now, and you see in direct speech then. Okay, now, that means now itself. This is present moment or present time, but the time in indirect speech will become in the past. So then. An I word, that pronoun will change into third person pronoun he. This is first person I. Okay, that means the actual speaker is saying I am, okay, or I go, or I am going. Actual speaker telling about himself. But when third person reports the same actual words in his own wording, then I will also turn into he, because that another person is telling about someone again now. Okay, that person could be there or could not be there, so that's why that person will become also third person. Next one, present perfect becomes past perfect. So if we know the rules and if we know the tense, we can easily convert or change from direct speech into indirect speech. I have walked for 1 hour, he said. And in direct speech, he said that he had walked for 1 hour. One step we are going back, okay, in every indirect speech. So you know the rule, subject plus have plus third form of the verb and plus object. That is present perfect. And past perfect, same, okay, but we have to change a little bit, subject plus had, okay. In present perfect we have, and in past perfect we have the word had. So in with every pronoun had will become, it is not the matter has or have, it will come with every pronoun, he, she, it, they, you, we. So he said that he had walked, okay, subject plus had plus verb the third form plus object. He had walked for 1 hour. In the same manner, present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous, and in past or present perfect continuous we have the formula subject plus have been, has been, or plus verb the first form plus ing form, okay, then object. So like this. In the same manner, the past perfect continuous had been with all pronouns plus verb the first form plus ing. So like this we have the rules, okay, and if you know these you can convert it simply. And past, simple past becomes past perfect, future becomes conditional, okay. Conditional means when there is a condition in our saying, I shall go for a walk tomorrow, he said. And in direct speech he said that he would go for a walk on the following days, okay. This will become the conditional, he would go. Future perfect becomes conditional perfect in the same manner as we have studied future and conditional. Universal truth.